my name is Ronnie Sanchez and I'm with Garden of Eden in Upland, California. Today I'd like to show you our basic French hook ear wire. So here are the French ear hooks that we'll be making using our 2-inch head pins, or I'm going to also show you how to use 20 gauge wire. We're going to be using a few different tools. I have a bail maker, a round nose plier, and a flat needle nose plier, a cutter, and this will be to file off the ends of our wire. We carry 6 different metals for these head pins, and they have a ball on the end of each of them. First, we're going to start off by making the little loop here, and that just depends on how big you want it. Where you grab it on the plier is how big that loop is going to be. So I'll grab it right around the middle of the round plier, and I'm just going to roll this away from me. I'm going to go all the way around until it touches the other side. That's it for the round plier there. Now I'm going to grab the bail maker, and I use the biggest part of the bail maker. That is a 8mm spot. I'm going to take this whole piece, push it up there, and notice the hook is going this way, so I want this hook to go this way, the opposite way. Nice and around, you're kind of eyeing it out. Take that off of there. I'm going to grab the flat plier now and just take the end of this, maybe about a 1/4 inch in, and just turn this up. And we have that nice bend there for the ear wire. If you want, if you don't like your ear wires this big, you can always cut it down. I'll cut it down right to there. Notice I still have the bend there. Now I'm going to take my file. See how this has a dome right in there and there's a file inside there. You're just going to put this on the end of your wire and start spinning it. Try and get it at all different angles. Come around, go this way. And looks like the wire rounder did its job. So now I've showed you using head pins. I'm going to show you using 20 gauge wire this time. You're going to cut your own 2-inch pieces, and with the cutter you have one side that cuts flush and the other side has a pinch off, so you want to make sure that both sides of your wire have that flush side up against there, and a flush side leaving it on the left there. Trim off the edge, and it leaves a flush cut there. Go 2 inches, and a flush cut right there. Now I'm going to make the loop on the ear wire, and where you grab it on the plier, the round plier, is how big the loop's going to be. If I grab it here, it's pretty small. Right around here is where I want it. So I roll over until it meets the other side. Then I grab my bail maker and put this all the way down in there, and so it's facing away from the one that I'm going to wrap it around, which is the 8mm. I go all the way until that touches, and it springs back just a little bit. Then I'm going to grab my flat plier and kink this up just a little bit. Trim this again using the flesh side of my cutter. And then round off the edge of the wire. Stay tuned for more basic wire instruction videos from the Garden of Eden.